I was sent the Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour. To be honest, I'm still figuring out how to use this sucker. It's very similar to Rare Beauty's bronzing stick, but it's a contour. It's not a bronzing stick. It also seems a bit rust color, which again seems different for a contour as opposed to a bronzer. But that being said, let's try this out and see what we think. So if I'm contouring, I do underneath my cheekbones. Let's just start there and see what we think. I can't tell. It looks like it may have lifted my foundation a bit. I did Dior's Forever Matte. What do you guys think? Honestly, I think it'd make a great bronzing stick. I'm not sure about contour. Let's use it to bronze me up a bit. Even that, I feel like it might be a bit too rusty looking for a bronzer on my particular skin color, but I am looking very jaundice and white right now, but it's my natural colors. I don't know, what do you guys think? Have you guys tried this? The Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour. In Clinique's credit, it is very reasonably priced. 01 Curvy Contour is the shade. When I looked it up online, it didn't look like there were variations of shade as well, which seems kind of funny. Let me know you guys' thoughts. I'd love to hear. This is how it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know.